did you learn to recognize, because I think this is a key issue for people, and you talk about it in your book called Waste Away.
Yes.
When to know what's true hunger and when are you truly satisfied?
Yes. And so one of the things that I looked at is with fasting, when you fast, and the Bible talks about in Matthew chapter 6, it says, when you give, when you pray, when you fast.
So you're supposed to do it.
And it doesn't say if you fast. It says when you fast. And so the principles of fasting that I have in my book teaches you how to get hungry, because most of us just eat just to eat, right? It's breakfast time, now I'm going to eat. Lunchtime, now I'm going to eat. And it learns when you fast, it pulls away that bondage to the food. And it also teaches you, because one of the things that's so important is when you fast, I believe that it kind of is like your cry out to God, saying, this is a bondage. Food was a bondage for me.
And I want to be free.
I want to be free. And I said, I'm going to pray about this and I'm going to fast, and broke free.